Welcome, in front of me is an OUKITEL WP35 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and from the boot options, select power off. Give it some time to turn off, and once the device turns off you want to hold volume up and power button. I believe if we actually hold both of them it actually might not boot up right away, so I'm gonna give it one test of this. So I'm gonna start holding power button till I feel a vibration, and then once I feel more like the vibration, I'll automatically just start holding volume up and let go of the power button. So let's try that right now. Power button, vibration, and yep, so this seems to be the better way to go about it. Now typically you would be holding both of these buttons at the same time, but here the device doesn't want to turn on in this scenario. So hold the power button, once you feel the vibration, then let go of it and just hold the volume up. Now you want to be very quick about it, as you've seen. And next you'll have the boot mode right here. So in here you can use volume buttons to navigate basically through the three options, and the first one is recovery mode, then we get a fast boot mode, and the last option is the normal boot. And you can see that it is selected with this arrow. If I press volume up once more, it jumps all the way to the top. Now I do want to leave this mode, as I just wanted to show you how you can boot into it. So I'm going to press now volume down when the normal boot is selected. Give it a moment. It looks like it's not doing anything, but it is. As you can see, it's now rebooting. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.